like something weird was going on their phone. One was a journalist, one was a politician. They heard about Citizen Lab and they reached out asking them to examine their phones.
That's right. Yeah, we first discovered samples of Predator back in November, December 2021. It's funny, we were actually checking people's phones for Pegasus, but we found one phone and something else caught our eye, which was there was a suspicious process running on the phone right when the forensic data was gathered called Payload 2, which struck us as quite suspicious.
Payload 2 didn't match any previously known malware that they had been tracking on phones. So, of course, it was time to crack this open and look closer.
Right. We could see precisely what input or arguments were passed into this process when it was started up. And those arguments included a URL, which was very long, looked quite dodgy. And when we went out and fetched this URL, we were actually able to obtain a binary file for an iPhone. In other words, an application. And analysis of this application quite clearly established that it was spyware. It had the capability to, for instance, exfiltrate files from the phone, take passwords, turn on the microphone and listen in to what was going on. So we were actually able to analyze the final payload of the spyware and understand what it was doing.